Hey, Hurricane Hilary's coming tomorrow. This is how Venice Beach is looking. The clouds are rolling in. And look at the clouds. Some interesting looking clouds right there. So tomorrow's the big day. What do you think about it, Tom? Tropical storm. What do you think about it, Gary?
I think we might get wet.
You think so? Oh no. Tom, what do you think about Hurricane Hilary?
I think it's a very serious situation.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
If the situation persists, I'm going to be here.
You're going to be in the middle of the hurricane?
Well, it might not be here until tomorrow afternoon. You'll be swimming.
Well, you know, in the market last night, guess what everybody was buying?
Water?
Watermelon. Without the melon, right?
Yeah.
Water, water, water.
Oh, yeah.
They bought all the water from
They
Gelson's.
don't know is all they got to do.
Yes, we've seen drivers just go above that, and all of a sudden you're coming across a deep puddle. That is the scary thing, because you just don't know what to come across. So if you come back out, like this is where we're headed to check out the abandoned vehicles here. You can see the LA River up ahead.
Well, tropical storm Hilary is hitting LA. It's raining outside. Now I just got an alert. Aftershocks for an earthquake are common, it says. Earthquake. Oh, now it's an earthquake. I don't know, I didn't feel anything. Oh yeah, the lantern's shaking. There was an earthquake, but I didn't really feel it. Probably because I walked over to the refrigerator. So I don't know, everything's going on today. At 2:43 p.m. Drop cover hold.
An earthquake. And yes, we're trying to get the very latest information on exactly where.
So the lantern stopped shaking.
So this time, a little bit later on, I'm going to check in with our color. And he offered.
Looks like it was an earthquake near Oxnard.
To eventually talk to Caltech and see exactly what damage we
Hey, here's the tropical storm Hilary. Looks like it's really starting to come down now. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's starting to get strong, the rain. Well, tropical storm Hilary, the wind's starting to pick up and the rain is kind of slowing down. You could see the leaves falling from the big tree over there. Wow, it's really pouring. What? They said flash flood warning and they weren't kidding. Now this is the worst we've had all day.
Yeah,
And what time is it, Lilia? 6:30 p.m. Look at that. Wow, it's pouring down from the ceiling right there. Oh, he is there. Yeah. Okay, we'll see how long it lasts. Flash flood warning. Tropical storm Hillary at Santa Monica, Gelson's.